Hey, what's up? Thanks for joining us. Let's see. Today we are driving around to pick up a lift for the new shop. Just came in yesterday or whatever. Who cares? I got Al with me.
Hey.
So yeah, let's go pick up a lift. Go. Now we'll get to go see the shop. We're gonna pick it up, take it over to the shop.
Boise Slow Shop.
Yes, sir. All right, so here it is. This is the shop. There's Al again. There's a bunch of stuff that's gonna get moved out before we get fully set up in here. We got our lift right here. And you know what's crazy? We're both from a really hot desert and it's like 81 degrees and we are both sweating our asses off out here. At any rate, yeah, man, we got our lift. There's all the parts and pieces. Chinesium lift. Actually looks like pretty decent quality. We're pretty happy with it. And here, I'll get back in the corner. We're gonna be leasing this bay that we're in right here. So we'll be able to set a lift up over there by where Al is, this closer over this way. We'll have the bending machine in this area here. And then we'll have this whole other side. We'll be able to have two vehicles parked right there to work on, and motorcycles or whatever. So, and they also offered us the next bay over if we want that as well. So we'll get things up and running, and hopefully real soon we'll be looking to lease that other bay. But yeah, man, there it is. So the biggest steps of us getting the shop open are done. The biggest was the bender. We got that squared away. We got our lift, we got our lease, we got our EIN, we got our name, we got all of that stuff. We're ready to go. We just need to get this put in place, which in a couple of days, hopefully we'll get this lift set up, figure out power for it. And then the following week, we'll probably focus on getting all our stuff over here, all our tools and the welders and stuff. And then we'll be ready to go. So yeah, man, keep watching. Hey, what's up? So we're at the shop today. We got Al over there somewhere. We are going to work on getting this lift in place so that we can get power run for it. We don't have a lot of time to get it done today, but yeah, there's Al. What's up, Al?
Morning.
So that's what we're gonna work on. Let's get to it. All right, it's our first time with it in place. How's it looking? Oh, it looks like a lift. So we think we got it mostly squared up, all in the right place and everything. That side is locked down. We're just gonna have to shim this side and lock it in place and then start putting all the rest of the shit on it. Cables, hydraulic cables, all that stuff. Hydraulic cables? Yeah. Yeah. All right, we got a lift. All installed. We just need to get power ran, which Ray's gonna do. Say hi, Ray. Ray's taking a look, see what he needs to run power for us, and then some hydraulic fluid, and we're good to go. So we have a lift. We were gonna put the sign, the banner up outside, but super sketchy ladder. We'll come back and do that later. Say bye, everybody.
See ya.